sponsored by newrepublic.com.
Hello and welcome back to NRTravel. Come with me as I begin my trip from Livingstone, Zambia to Chobe National Park in Botswana for a safari experience. I bounced into a safari truck while the Zambezi still yawned itself awake, crossed the border like seasoned adventurers, passport stamped, stories already growing, and rolled toward Chobe with dust on my shoes and optimism in our pockets. I already get a preview of the safari, seeing warthogs at the border. Somewhere between Zambia and Botswana, the landscape quietly changed its mind. Flat became wild, and ordinary gave way to anything could happen. The safari truck rumbled into Chobe like it had insider knowledge. Barely 5 minutes in, and wildlife was already clocking in for the day. Dust puffed up behind us as the cool morning air, carrying that unmistakable, "this is going to be good" feeling. When the guide slowed, pointed, and casually said the word that makes everyone freeze mid-breath, "lion," just there, lounging in the grass like the undisputed king of a very large living room. As we move along, boom, elephants, buffalo, giraffes, and wildebeest, right there, casually munching, totally unbothered, as if they'd been waiting for our grand entrance. On one side, a line of elephants strolled across the floodplain like they owned the place, which, honestly, they do. Nearby, buffalo grazed with calm confidence, occasionally lifting their heads to keep an eye on things, unbothered by their much larger neighbors. Just when we thought the safari couldn't get any better, the guide said, "You hungry? Enter Cresta Moana Safari Resort and Spa, aka the most luxurious pit stop a safari crew could ask for." 1 minute I'm spotting elephants along the Chobe River, the next we're stepping into cool shade and the unmistakable aroma of an all-you-can-eat buffet. With full bellies and zero regrets, we rolled out of the resort like a very happy, slightly slower moving safari crew. Cresta Moana faded behind us, and just like that, it was time to trade lunch plates for life jackets. The river portion of the Chobe Safari was calling. The afternoon light softened, the kind that makes everything feel a little more cinematic. The river opened up slowly, wide and calm, reflecting the sky like polished glass. Almost immediately, movement caught our eyes. Hippos gathered along the banks, some wading in up to their knees, others standing watch while the younger ones splashed with zero regard. Others surfaced nearby, announcing themselves with deep grunts, their eyes just above the waterline, as if monitoring river traffic. As the boat glided along, we spotted elephants and buffalo gathered at the water's edge. Crocodiles lay motionless along the shore, perfectly blending into the mud, ancient, patient, unbothered. As the final Chobe sunset painted the river gold, it gave the perfect Africa moment. Thanks for watching. For more info, see description box below.